Hello vlog. Eyes still red. I was actually asked by the kitchen guys this morning if I was high, and I was like, why? He was like, because your eyes are red. And I was like, actually, it was just my eye. So maybe I'm half high, but no. It's been, I feel like up here's worse. And I don't know if it's because of my contacts, because of how my sinuses were last week, like how bad my eyes were dripping. Maybe it's the dry weather, I don't know. Or if it's from like something getting in my eye. But I'm getting ready to go out and get some food. I'm gonna take Poppy with me wherever he went. Oh, he's right here. But I need to get him a kennel. I'm probably just gonna crate train him, put him up in that whenever I'm gone, get home, let him go outside. So I was really wanting to try potty pads, that way I wouldn't have to worry about taking him outside if he could just go on them every time he needs to go. But I don't know if I have the patience and everything that comes with it to, you know, have to look over all the times that he does pee or poop where he's not supposed to. No matter how many times I put him on the pad and he acts like he doesn't have to go and then he walks away and pees somewhere else. I can't stand that. And then also, what really made me want to start crate training is the fact that I got home and my plant that had been sitting in the window perfectly fine all this time, he chewed it. He chewed it to pieces. As well as chewing on my succulent that I ended up putting outside with my rose. I can't do that. So anytime that I'm gone and I can't take him with me, he's going in the kennel. Sorry, boy. I just really hope he doesn't bark the whole time. But anyways, I'm gonna take the tips that I've made so far this week and deposit them, go pick up a crate for him, and maybe pick up a few things that I have on this list already. And in the meantime, I'm gonna be getting some food somewhere. I think I'm just gonna go with Dunkin'. I always go to Dunkin', and it's a little late for a coffee, but they've got a new coffee, which is it's a churro iced signature latte, and it's so good. And I've been thinking about it all day, so I'm gonna get one of those. Probably an avocado toast as always, or maybe I'll try to mix it up. I don't know. I'll try to get something different, and maybe like a donut or something. And we'll get him a pup cup. That way he gets really excited to come out with me. He's gonna be my little emotional support dog. Okay, so I actually ended up just getting the bare minimum from Walmart. We've got a dog kennel to keep him in during the day. It's big enough for that. And then if I needed to take him anywhere, I'll take him in this. I got these fancy cat bowls for the cats because they now have to eat on top of the kitchen table, which is a mess currently. But I feel like this would look a lot nicer. Make it seem a little less gross. I got different treats for Poppy to see if maybe he likes these better. New scissors, because the scissors that we have are terrible. Some AAA batteries for Ephraim. What do you think, Princess? And this mat for the cat bowls. Goodbye, old, dull scissors. Hello, new sharp scissors. So I think I'm probably gonna keep it in this area for right now. We need to put his bed in there. Bobby, look, it's for you. The kitchen table is such a mess because I've been meaning to do a little thrift and try on haul with all these pieces I got a couple weeks ago. It's been a while now. And I know if I put everything away, I'm gonna forget about it. But I've not had the time to actually do it, so they've just been sitting here. What else this corner needs. It's just missing something. So now that I know Poppy likes going outside to potty, he does very well with just taking it upon himself to walk out there and pee when the door's open. Or if I go out there with him, he'll like pee and poop out there so much better than he will on this. So I think I'm gonna take these up, maybe leave one in the upstairs bedroom just in case. Yeah, throw them away and just like take him outside every so often. Next, I'm going to just get this little bit of dishes done and put away, and then I'm going to give Poppy a flea bath. And depending on how I feel after that, I may give Turnip one because he still somehow has fleas. They've been bathed so many times since they've been here, and then given flea medicine. So yeah. Princess! Here's a little tank update. Here's Mr. Strawberry Shortcake, Chad for short. A little froggy. Trust. Okay, so now Poppy's gonna be getting a flea bath with this dog dish liquid. Because he has fleas. I thought he didn't have any because I wasn't seeing them, but he's actually got a few, so.